welcome back to my channel. Today, we're replacing this old bathtub spout because when I pull up the shower diverter, water is still leaking out the spout. That means we're wasting water and we need to fix it. Let's get into it. Tools and materials needed. Replacement tub spout, utility knife, scrub brush or old toothbrush, plumber's putty, silicone, Teflon tape, rag, or old towel. Step 1. Check for set screw. The first thing you want to do is check underneath the spout to see if there's a set screw holding it to the copper pipe. In my case, there isn't one, but if you see a screw, grab an Allen wrench and remove that first. Step 2. Remove caulk, if any. Now I'll take a utility knife and gently cut away any old caulking around the spout so it comes off clean without damaging the wall. Step 3. Unscrew the spout. Just to be safe, I'll double check again. No screw underneath. Now I'll twist the spout counterclockwise to unscrew it from the copper pipe. Be gentle, don't force it, and it comes off clean. Step 4. Identify connection type. This one has front end threads, which means it screws directly onto the copper pipe. If yours is a slip-on style, you'd see a hole underneath for a set screw instead. Step 5. Prep new spout. I picked up this universal tub spout kit from the hardware store. Mine is a 5-inch threaded type, but the kit includes extra parts depending on your pipe setup. I'm removing all the pieces I don't need. I'm only using the parts for a threaded connection. Step 6. Clean threads and seal wall. Next, I'm cleaning the threads on the copper pipe using a soft brush. You could use a brass or plastic one. In my case, there's a gap between the pipe and the wall, so I'm taking an extra step, sealing that gap using a bit of plumber's putty and a gasket I had lying around. That'll help stop water from leaking behind the wall. Step 7. Apply Teflon tape. Now it's time to wrap Teflon tape on the pipe threads. Always wrap it clockwise, about 3 to 4 turns around to help prevent leaks. Step 8. Install new spout. Now just hand tighten the new spout onto the pipe. Don't over tighten or use tools. I added a bit of clear silicone caulk where the spout meets the wall, just for a cleaner finish. Step 9. Test the fix. Alright, let's test it. Turn the water on, pull up the diverter, and now, water is going straight to the shower head with very little dripping from the spout. Exactly what we want. This was an easy fix that anyone can do in under 20 minutes and save some money. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and check the video description for links to the tools and materials I used. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.